In this video, I will show you how you can back up your Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus, or the S26 Ultra. Now to do that, first of all, just open Settings, and under Settings, just scroll down. Over here, you will find the option for Accounts and Backup. Now just tap on it. Over here, you will find two options to back up your data. You can either back up your data to your Samsung Cloud, or you can back up your data to your Google Drive. Now, to back up your data to your Google Drive, you will need to be signed into your Gmail account on this phone. Just tap on Backup Data to Google, and from here, just select the data which you want to back up. And after that, just tap on Backup Now. But if you want to back up your data to your Samsung Cloud, just tap on Backup Data under Samsung Cloud. And similarly, just enable the toggle or select the data which you want to back up. For example, I'll select these options, but you can select any of the options available over here. Then just tap on Backup Now. From here, just wait from a few seconds to a few minutes to back up your data. And once your data is backed up, then just tap on Done. And by doing that, you will back up your data to your Samsung Cloud. And also, you have another method to back up your data, and that is you can back up your data to an external storage. Now, I have already made a detailed video on how you can back up your data to an external storage. You can find the link of that video in the description down below. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.